how to get an anime physique, step by step for real life. You've seen anime characters with that lean, muscular, aesthetic look, right? Broad shoulders, small waist, shredded abs. And you probably thought, that's not possible in real life. But here's the truth. You can build that body, not overnight, but step by step. Today, I'll show you how to get an anime physique in a real practical way. No fake motivation, no useless advice, just what works. What is an anime physique? Let's first understand what an anime physique means. It's not about being huge like a bodybuilder. It's about being lean, strong, and athletic. Think of characters like Levi from Attack on Titan, Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen, or Goku in base form. They have visible abs, defined arms, and low body fat. They look fast, powerful, and confident. That's what we're going for. So our goal is simple. Build muscle in the right areas, lose extra fat, improve posture and proportions. Step 1, training plan. Let's start with training. You don't need a gym full of machines. You need a mix of strength, body weight, and core work. Here's a simple split you can follow. Day 1, push, chest, shoulders, triceps. Day 2, pull back biceps. Day 3, legs and core. Day 4, rest, then repeat. Each workout should take about an hour. Keep your form clean. Go for 8 to 12 reps on each exercise. Focus on control, not speed. Body weight exercises like pull-ups, push-ups, dips, squats, and planks build the foundation. Add weight slowly once you master form. Train 5 to 6 days a week, rest properly, and stay consistent. Step 2, nutrition. Training alone won't build that physique. Your food builds your body. If you're skinny, eat more whole foods. Eggs, chicken, beef, rice, potatoes, milk, oats, roti, lentils, and nuts. Add a mass gainer or peanut butter shake if needed. If you're overweight, stay in a slight calorie deficit. Keep protein high and cut sugar and junk. Remember, abs come from diet. You can't see abs under fat. Stay patient. Results take months, not weeks. Step 3, recovery and sleep. Anime characters look powerful because they move with energy. You can't do that if you're tired all the time. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Drink enough water. Stretch or do light mobility daily. Muscle grows when you rest, not when you lift. So stop skipping sleep. It's part of your training. Step 4, mindset and discipline. Mindset. You won't always feel motivated. There'll be days you don't want to train or eat clean. That's normal. What matters is discipline. Think about your favorite anime hero. They train even when no one's watching. They fall, but they get back up stronger. That's what you need. Start small. Show up every day, even when you don't feel like it.